Do you know that one wrong command in the Docker file can make the image hundreds of MB heavier or even worse when you finish building the image but are not allowed to push it to Docker Hub due to internal policies. Hi everyone, this is Phương. Today I will guide you on how to create an ultralight Docker image with Nginx Alpine, optimize its size, and especially through these step-by-step instructions of mine, you can build your own local Docker registry to store internal images. No Docker Hub, no internet needed. This is a skill that every system admin and DevOps must know. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we will check Docker on the machine with the command Docker version. Okay, next we will download the latest base image using the following command Docker pull nginx Alpine. Enter. You know Nginx Alpine is the Nginx version running on Alpine. It is extremely lightweight, more secure, and faster, and perform checking the editing images. Docker image ls. Okay, after that, we will create a Docker file, vim Docker file, enter, press the following content. And save the file. Okay, now we will create the web file index.html right on the host. Okay, okay. This is the file that will be copied into the container. Okay, so we already have the Docker file, and we will build the Docker image with the Docker file using the following command Docker build with option T my Nginx image later. Not enter. Okay. Now we will check the image that built Docker image ls. Okay. So next step, we will create a local registry running on port 5000. Docker run with option D, with option P, 5000, 5000, with option name, registry, registry, 2, enter. Then check whether the registry already has any image. HTTP localhost 5000 v2 catalog. Enter. At this point, it will return the result that there are no images yet. Okay? And we need to tag the image wizard created to prepare for pushing it to the registry. And perform checking the image again. Docker image it. Enter. So as you can see, we already have an image with version 1.0. So we will push this image to the local registry. Docker push localhost. Okay, enter. Then check on the registry. Okay. Enter. Okay. Now we will delete the image from the machine to prove that the registry is working. Docker image rm. Enter. Okay. Localhost. Enter. Okay. Check again. Docker image it. Okay. We can see there's no image anymore. Okay. So we will pull the image back from the local registry. Docker pull localhost 5000 by nginx image v1 0.0. Localhost, okay? Enter, okay. Tag it again for easier use. Okay. And finally, we can check the image. Okay. So through this video, you have learned how to build an optimized Docker image from Nginx Alpine, push it to a local registry, and pull it back like using Docker Hub. This is a practical DevOps or system admin skill in an enterprise environment. If you find this video useful, please like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, and comment the Docker or DevOps topic you want me to cover in the next video. I read every comment and will choose the most practical and hands-on topics to share with you. This film, my mission is to help you master technology faster, more effectively, more practically. Okay? Thank you for watching.